When we moved back to Spokane, we knew that academics was very important, but we also wanted a smaller school, a place where we could have our kids feel safe, that God was important, and bring that home and share that with the family as well.
We educate the whole child. We educate not only academics and social, but the spiritual side.
The teachers really cherish each student in the classroom and make my kids feel loved and that they can really succeed and perform in the classroom, on the playground, at home, with prayer life, with family, in their academic life. They just succeed and they do well.
I think we're very blessed in Spokane. We have great schools, but we're able to go a step above in many cases and work individually with students. We work hard on our curriculum development. We center our day on prayer. We center our day on who Jesus is, and then what does he call us to? It's the gospel values. So we give so much more in a day than I think the public schools can offer.
Of course, we teach the Catholic faith. That's who we are and that's what grounds us. But our educational programs are for anyone who wants to come and get a good, solid education that has a strong moral foundation beneath it and is willing to be open to learning about the beauties of the Catholic faith.
I think growing in faith and being challenged in academics and really being a part of the community is why it's so special.
The academics is excellent, but the community, the family life here, when we come together for all-school mass or come together for other activities, I think all the families have a connection of wanting to send their kids to a place where they can call each other friends, they can call each other family.
For a public school, you have 200 to 300 people in your 8th grade class, so you can't really get to know every single person, but here you know every single person, and I've developed these friends that I'm probably going to have for the rest of my life here.
My sons went on to college, and one's a doctor and two are engineers, and they felt so prepared, both socially, academically, and spiritually, to meet that world that's out there. So not only did they say that it prepared them academically, but it prepared them to be leaders. And that's what I think we do here at All Saints really well. We prepare leaders that are going to be looking into the future. They are able to be of service. They are able to stand up for what they believe in.
It's kind of changed my perspective on how I want to grow up and who I want to be when I'm older.
If we can constantly keep in front of our minds as teachers and help the students keep in front of their minds as people that God loves them, that God created them to do good in the world, to make a difference, then we've done our job.
All Saints is a place to be educated, to be loved, and to express themselves, and to share our faith.